I would like to welcome from the management panel Mr. Sushil Mungekar and Mr. Sneh Chheda. Sushil Mungekar. Mr. Sushil Mungekar is a chemical engineer from ICT, Mumbai, and MMS from JBIMS. He is a TEDx speaker, a corporate professional, and a founder of startups turned into a educational transformist. He is a founding CEO of NPower, an organization that nurtures innovation and entrepreneurial mindset among school children. Mr. Sushil started his professional career with Tata Group and worked over a decade on various assignments in the domain of corporate finance, strategy, M&A, and business development. I hand over the mic to Mr. Sushil here. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think it is so difficult for me as Sneha to hold you from your lunch. ये सबसे difficult session होता है. But I think we'll try and make it more and more interesting so that you either forget your hunger or so today, I think while I was sitting here, I have heard most of the sessions. They have given impeccable insights in terms of क्या करना चाहिए, what are the careers. Everybody is standing here almost selling their careers. कि बस तू CAE कर, तू CMA कर, तू actuary कर. You know, it actually went up to that level. I am going to talk more from your side, you know, because I can resonate. And as it has been said, that I run a company for teaching entrepreneurship for school children. So that's where I come from. यहाँ पे कितने लोग अभी भी confused है कि क्या करना है? Fantastic. कुछ लोग हाथ ऊपर नहीं करे, वो कंफ्यूज है, हाथ ऊपर करेगी नहीं, है ना? एंड लेट मी टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, दिस इज द परफेक्ट स्टेटस और स्टेट टू बी कंफ्यूज्ड एट दिस स्टेज. ओके, इट्स वेरी रेयर दैट यू विल गेट एन आंसर कि करना क्या है. एंड फ्रैंकली इट इज नॉट योर फॉल्ट. आई एम गोइंग टू बी एब्सोल्युटली ब्लंट, स्ट्रेट एंड टू द पॉइंट. It is not your fault that you are confused. It is the fault of our education system that despite of giving 12 precious years of your life, right from nursery, KG से लेके 10 तक, after giving 12 years of your precious life, if school is not able to let you know that what you are good at, then it's a school's failure, it's not your failure. Correct? Agree, disagree? अभी जाके स्कूल को बोलो, अभी तो 10th का मार्क्स शीट मिल गया हाथ में, तो बोलो जाके यू आर अ फेलियर. Okay, so it's very, very important. Somebody was asking a question, what is tough, what is not tough. It's extremely important that we should know what we are good at. Okay, I'm going to come to management, I'm going to come to entrepreneurship, but I'm going to spend 5 important minutes because I can resonate exactly where you are coming from. ऐसा बोलते हैं कि हर एक बंदे के 2 बर्थ डेट्स होते हैं. There are 2 birth dates every person has. One is obviously when you are born, right? Which is the second one? Can anybody? तिथि नहीं, तो अभी ज्योतिष में चला गया. या wonderful. The second birthday is when you realize why you have taken the birth on this earth. Okay, that's extremely important. And actually, we were supposed to know all this or at least realize that status before we would have finished our schooling or college. But that is something which is very, very important. So, in order, when you are confused, ask these 4 questions to yourself. अभी तो छुट्टी है 10th standard के पास में, till the time you take admission. Ask these 4 questions to yourself. Number 1 is what you love the most. Doing what you love the most. That's the most important question. क्या करने में आपको दिल से मजा आता है? That's the first question. You should ask to yourself, write it down on the piece of paper. Don't show it to others, but at least you should be truthful to yourself. Number 2, what you are good at. आप किस में अच्छे हो? And that can be different than what you love. I love cricket, but I am good at maths. These are 2 different things. But ultimately, what you are good at is something is very, very important. And that can be different from what you love. Number 3, okay, what do you think, which skills you will be paid by people? ओके मैं क्या करूंगा तो मुझे पैसा मिलेगा. ड्यूरिंग दिस एज मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर गुड एट स्पोर्ट्स एंड लगता है कि बॉस मेरे को इफ आई प्ले क्रिकेट इफ आई प्ले सॉकर मुझे पैसा मिलेगा. बट दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. यू हैव टू रियली बी ट्रूथफुल टू योर सेल्फ. What do you think will actually fetch money? Because ultimately you are getting into a career for two things. You are linking yourself to the financial transaction or the financial world around. Because तभी पैसा आएगा. And the second thing is in that process you want to do your own personal development. And the fourth one, the first one is what you are good at. The second one is what you love. The third one is why people will pay you. And the fourth one is what people need. That is something which is very important. यहाँ पे careers की बात हो रही है. We are talking about careers, futures and all. Let me ask one honest question and then I'll come to management. Anybody wants to become a doctor here? कोई है माइका लाल जिसको डॉक्टर बनेगा? Oh, lovely. Okay, raise your hand. You want to become a doctor? अरे शर्मा मत, it's not bad. What's your name? Sorry? Hasti. Okay, let's say he wants to become a doctor. He's 14-year-old, right? Assuming अभी उसने 9th 10th का एग्जाम दे दिया, assuming 12th स्टैंडर्ड भी पास किया, we are in 2024. Okay, 2026 he will pass his 12th standard, right? Doctor course is 4.5 years. So 2026 के बाद में assuming he gets a great admission in a great college, GS Medical, JJ and all. In 26 he will enroll for doctor MBBS course. 5 साल, 26 plus 5, 31, right? In 2031 he will be a doctor, right? आजकल MBBS को कोई पूछता नहीं है, हमको भी तो MD चाहिए, MS चाहिए, right? So another 3 years of specialization, MD, MS. So 3 years, 2031 plus 3, 2034. So today if he has decided to become a doctor in 2024, actually he will turn out to become a doctor in 2034, right? Can anybody sitting in this room tell me how medical profession will look like in 2034? Extremely difficult. अच्छा वो एक दिन के लिए तो डॉक्टर नहीं बन रहा है ना कि बॉस वो नायक पिक्चर का एक दिन का मुख्यमंत्री बन गया खत्म. He is going to start his career. So 2034, assuming he runs his career for 40 years, इतना बाप ने पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया है फीस में वगैरह, तो एटलीस्ट कुछ तो करना चाहिए. So he will start his career in 2034. He will remain doctor till 2074. Can anybody predict how medical profession will look like in 2074? So therefore, it is extremely important when you are looking at a career, remove that from your mind that careers are not changing. Careers are changing. Whatever has been spoken here, that's today. 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, all these things are going to change. Right? I have a company of influencer marketing. He's going to talk about it. But ये career था नहीं 5 साल पहले. Influencer marketing क्या था मालूम नहीं था किसी को. But he has made a career out of it. So the point I'm trying to tell you is the research says 62% of today's careers won't exist by 2032. 85% of the careers which will exist in 2032 are not even known yet. So simple question, आज जो है वो कल नहीं रहेगा, कल जो होगा वो आज हमें मालूम नहीं है. So what are we preparing for? Sorry, I'm pushing you a little bit because I want you guys to think before you select any career. Nothing spoken was bad. Everything is actually pushing you. But I am trying to ask that question. I am trying to put that seed in your mind कि boss करना क्या चाहते हैं हम लोग. इसीलिए something which you are good at, if you can find that out, then that career will be best. So यहाँ पे कोई भी career बोला है, you can take any career. We actually asked a question to ChatGPT. We are trying to build a career app, a career selection app based on ChatGPT, and I'm going to talk about that sometime later. But when I asked the first question, the ChatGPT came back and said that there are 17,700 careers. अगर ऐसे सेशन रखेंगे तो हमको 25 दिन तो खाली सेशन रखने में जाएंगे. And you will get utterly confused कि बॉस इतना सब मत बताओ. My question, my point to you is fairly simple. You can make career in the area the way you want. Period. आप कुछ भी करो, you will be able to make a career. And that's why I'm going to come to entrepreneurship and entrepreneurial careers and what needs to be done, because entrepreneurship something is the only career which doesn't require a degree or a grade. दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट. एक ही करियर है जिसमें कुछ डिग्री विग्री नहीं चाहिए, पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए, कुछ पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं है. इसीलिए बोलते हैं ना कि इस क्लास में सब जो पहले आते हैं वो लोग जॉब वॉब करते, पीछे जो बैठते हैं वो धंधा करते हैं. इन लाइटर टर्म इट इज सेड बिकॉज बेचारों को मार्क्स नहीं मिलता है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस ग्रुप, देयर मे बी सम टॉपर्स आउट देयर, बट वो लोग धंधा करते हैं. द सेकेंड थिंग, आई मीन दिस इज अ लाइटर वेन, बट द सेकेंड रियल ट्रूथ is all those guys who get less mark, who have prevented them from getting spoiled from this education system. They have kept their sanity, and that's why they can actually do entrepreneurship. A simple example of entrepreneurship, आप कोई भी कंपनी में जाओ, CEO of the company will get maximum 2% of the revenue paid. अगर कंपनी का रेवेन्यू 50 करोड़ है तो बंदे को 2 करोड़ का सैलरी मिलेगा, राइट? But the CEO has to think how to make revenue of 50 crores. अगर ये सोचने की आप में काबिलियत है, then why the hell you are CEO of that company? Why are you not CEO of your own company? ये कभी सोचा है? ये हम इसीलिए नहीं सोचते because at this age, you as well as your parent, including me, we have not put our dream. हमको क्या करना है लाइफ में, क्या चाहिए? इफ आई आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन कि आपको बनना क्या है, तो मोमेंट एवरीबॉडी सेज मेरे को सीए बनना है, मेरे को चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनना है, मेरे को डॉक्टर बनना है, लॉयर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है, आर्टिस्ट बनना है, गिटारिस्ट बनना है, इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग बनना है. दैट्स नॉट करेक्ट. आपको क्या अचीव करना है? इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. यू मे से दैट आई वांट हैव $1 billion इन माय बैंक अकाउंट. दैट्स पॉसिबल. आई वांट टू बी पद्मश्री, आई वांट टू बी भारत रत्न, आई वांट टू पब्लिश माय 5 books, आई वांट टू बी एन इन्फ्लुएंसर, आई वांट टू टेक अ प्रचार सभा वेयर lakhs and lakhs of people will come and talk to me. Okay, it can be anything, but that's important. If you put that dream in your mind, then all these careers are just a path to reach that particular dream. If you can do that, then entrepreneurial mindset will really help. Entrepreneurship is not a career, my friends. Entrepreneurship is a mindset. आप ये कोई भी career कर रहे हो. In fact, I saw somebody talking about language, and I saw she's running a company. I don't know whether she's there in the room, but she has her own company. That means she learned languages, and she built a company out of it. So you do any career, anything, any learning, anything, you can actually build entrepreneurial venture out of it, provided you start thinking of entrepreneurial mindset. And what is that entrepreneurial mindset? वो कोई किताबें नहीं सिखाएगा. So if I tell you ये courses वगैरह कर लो, the most important is you'll have to start thinking कि बॉस आजू बाजू में क्या problems है, and using my abilities, my good things, my skills, how can I solve that problem, and can I command money for solving that problem? Which 4 things I just spoke about. What are the problems around me? Do I have a skills to do that? Will I really love to do that for at least next 10 years? I am ready to commit my life. And will people pay me doing that for, will they pay me? If the answers to these 4 questions are correct, then you are entrepreneur. Then you can start thinking like an entrepreneur. And what I spoke about is a philosophy of Ikigai. I don't know how many of you have read Ikigai as a book, but if you have not, then please, my humble request to you and your parents, अभी यहाँ से जाने के बाद में एक Ikigai छोटा सा book है, multilingual है, बहुत सारे languages में, pick up that book, read that in 1-2 days. That will open your thinking कि बॉस मुझे करना क्या life में. Then you become CA, then you become all these things, all doesn't matter. Because the good part of now, which was not there previously 10 years back or 20 years back, you can actually switch careers. You can go from one career to another. There is nothing like one fixed career. मैं CA बना तो lifelong CA. No. There are CAs who have become film directors. There are engineers who have become actresses. So you can actually change the career. That one life, one career is a bullshit. That doesn't exist. But you have an ability to think. Once you think of a bigger picture, once you think of your goal, then you can navigate the way you want. And lastly, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि degrees and knowledge. Today, unfortunately, knowledge and degree ये 2 अलग चीज हो गए. And so much so it has become tangential. Degree एक साइड में है, knowledge एक साइड में है. Knowledge अगर आपको चाहिए, अगर डिग्री चाहिए तो you have to give these exams, pass and get that. So no questions. You have to get coaching classes. Knowledge चाहिए तो there is enormous amount of knowledge available on a click of a button. आप वर्चुअली सीए का सब कुछ पढ़ सकते हो, प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकते, बट सीए का सब कुछ पढ़ सकते हो इन द लाइब्रेरी गिवन, provided you want that knowledge to be grabbed. How to use that knowledge for entrepreneurial work is something which you have to do. Entrepreneurship as a degree, unfortunately, it is still at a post graduation level. आपको post graduate करना पड़ता है और उसके बाद में आपको डिग्रीज मिलते हैं. MBA ऑन द अदर हैंड इज अगेन अ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कोर्स. आप BBA MBA इंजीनियरिंग के बाद में भी MBA कर सकते हो जैसे मैंने किया. देर MBA इज वन पर्टिकुलर डिग्री which cuts across. It's a generic degree. It's a passport for you to sit in front of a company to get up a job. A better way to do, the crudest way to put that. आप डॉक्टर होके भी MBA कर सकते हो. You can do that. So that is something which you have to keep in your mind. I think my time is getting over and I need to shut up. But hope this has really helped you to open your way of thinking rather than looking at in an orthodox way. Look at in an unorthodox way. You will be able to create magic. You will be able to create an impact. And you will be able to drive change in the future. Thank you very much. Let me request Sneha to talk.
Hi everybody, Jai Jinendra. First of all, thank you to KVO Seva Samaj and Sthanakvasi Jain Mahajan for organizing this. 10 years ago, exactly 2014, આઉં ઓડાવટ હોવો ને આડા ગચમાં dignitaries જેન વટાનું મુકે સખેલા મળ્યો હોવો. And today I am lucky to be over here to help you guys find your path. Little introduction about me, આઉં કેર અહીંયા. મુજું નામ है સ્નેહ રશ્મિન છેડા from Ratadia Ganeshwala. I have dedicated 5 years to the field of influencer marketing. It's a very new field. When I joined the industry, the word influencer marketing did not exist. So I've sort of been a part of the industry even before it was born. I am also a visiting faculty at KC College. I teach the undergraduate and the postgraduate students over there in the subjects of media, mass communication, marketing, etc. And also I've had the opportunity to work with hundreds of national and international brands, all of your popular groups that you can think of. Jio, Tata, Birla, Bajaj, Britannia, જે પણ વડા વડા કંપનીઝ સોચી શકો હતા જે ઇન્ડિયામાંથી આવ્યા ઓની મળી સાથે at some or the other level, I've had the opportunity to work with them and carry out marketing campaigns for them, and that is what certifies me to be here to talk to you guys. Okay, that's a little bit about me. The challenge that I have over here is within 10 minutes, I have to talk to you about two very huge fields, media and marketing, and then cover advertising and social media and 10 other aspects. So I'm going to be running through it a little bit with the assumption that whoever is genuinely interested in જેનજો પણ आणखी નેરેને જે કે બી ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ હશે તો પોસ્ટ લંચ આઈ એમ ગોઈંગ ટુ બી હિયર એન્ડ આઈ એમ ગોઈંગ ટુ બી આન્સરિંગ યોર ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. ઓલરાઈટ, ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ, what is media? Social media is one form of media. ટીવી ને રહ્યો હતા, છાપા વાંચ્યો હતા, મેગઝીન રીડ કર્યો હતા, મૂવીઝ ને રહ્યો હતા, રેડિયો સુણ્યો હતા, ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ તે આવ્યો, ફેસબુક તે આવ્યો, આઉટડોર એડ્સ ને રહ્યો હતા, બિલબોર્ડ્સ લગેલાઈ, પોસ્ટર્સ લગેલાઈ, ટ્રેન જે અંડર એડ આય, everything is media. Everything that we consume, everything around us, everything that gives us information, that educates us, that entertains us, everything is a form of mass media. Okay, it's a tool where a select group of people can talk with hundreds and thousands and lakhs of people, and that is the industry that I'm representing. You can see the vast variety of topics that I need to necessarily cover over here. All right. Then what is marketing? So we know what is media. What is marketing? Marketing is essentially any company, any professional, any person trying to promote their products, trying to promote their services, trying to educate their audience that, hey, I exist as a product, this is what I can do for you, this is why you need to come and buy me. Right? This is why you need to choose my brand over the competitor brand. Why do you have to choose Bonbon over hide and seek? Why do you have to choose Ariel over Tide? Marketing tells you that. Marketing informs you about that. Right? That is what marketing is about, and marketing involves advertising, there is branding, there is publicity, there is PR, digital marketing, direct marketing, sales promotion, everything is covered under marketing. There are hundreds of different job opportunities within the field of media and marketing. Now, narrowing down to advertising as a primary tool for marketing, okay? How many of you watch Instagram Reels or spend time on Facebook? Everybody, right? How many of you read newspapers? Some of you over here, I think a lot of parents in the other room who are seeing this will raise their hands for this. How many of you watch TV? How many of you watch OTT content? How many of you watch IPL on Jio Cinema? Yes? Why do you think you get to watch all of that? Because of advertising. अगर हम नहीं होते, अगर advertising नहीं होती, तो none of this content could come to you. You think that when you're paying 5 rupees for a newspaper, the newspaper company is able to earn profits out of the 5 rupees that hundreds of people are giving them? No, they are earning profits because advertisers are giving their ads in their newspaper that they are getting paid for. कच्ची पत्रिका अचे थी मड़ी वटे हाँ कच्ची पत्रिका में पंजी जी एड्स अचे थियूं अलग अलग संस्था जी अलग अलग लोगो जी ओनथी कच्ची पत्रिका जो बिजनेस हले तो ओनथी कच्ची पत्रिका जो प्रिंटिंग जो खर्चो न करे तो not with the 4 or 5 rupees that the newspaper is charging you. They are not able to afford that. Right? Channels, हाने पान channel ला करने 2 रुपया 3 रुपया अकड़ी महीने जो अकड़ी channel ला दियो था, right? और पांचो set top box ने मड़े अच्छे हुए हो 3 rupees for Star Plus, 5 rupees for Star Plus HD. You think Star Plus is able to afford showing you HD content, so many shows, so many celebrities on their channel? Can they afford in 5 rupees that you're giving them? No, they are able to afford it because they are showing ads to you and brands are paying them money to show those ads to you. That is what advertising is about. Can you count how many zeros? 9 zeros, right? That is 1,13,500 crore rupees. Anji angdi ochi pe new number moche la karene, right? Or 1.135 trillion rupee industry advertising in today's time. This is for financial year 2023-2024, sorry. 1.13 trillion rupee जी industry है खाली इंडिया में पण abroad आना व्याज नहीं हुआ साथे. Right? And by 2026, it's going to become 1.5 trillion rupee industry in India. आने यहाँ मनगढ़ंत number न तोड़िया. ही ENY याने FICCI जी report है. ENY तो मड़िया trust का इंदा जुंदा. Right? So this is an ENY FICCI report published just last month, and that is the size of advertising industry in India. So now you can imagine the career prospects that you can have in such an industry. So how do you get into the industry? Okay. ही क्वेश्चन प्राइमरीली जे पेरेंट्स ला करने आए थोड़ा कड़ा पुठिया इन एक ब्याह गचपड़े बे रूम में ही ओड़ा आए लोगों में थी कटला पेरेंट्स आई जे पंजे सन के डॉटर के एट कैर बी एट सम पॉइंट इन योर लाइफ यू हैव सेड कटलो दिवस कटलो टीवी ने रही तो आखो दिवस फोन में कोला पे हुए तो आखो दिवस पिक्चर नेरला कोला वन्नू हुए तो राइट students are all nodding over here because they've heard this from their parents at some point of their life. Exam aaye, bhanega, he karega, tuition mein one, right? It's a very common dialogue in all households across the country, I think across the world, right? But students who are actually genuinely interested in content of any form, whether it is printed content, whether it is on TV, it is in the movies, it is on Instagram, it is on websites, any student or any youngster for that matter, who's interested in content, who is not just mindlessly scrolling on Instagram, कि अकड़े content पर bio content खाली scroll कहीं दारे आईडी थे ना, जे content नरे ने उनके समझे सके तो, कि why is this content made, what is the point of this content, what can I learn out of it, who has made it and why have they made it. Anybody who can analyze and understand content and who enjoys doing it can become a media professional, can become an advertising professional. So how do you go about doing that? The most popular course is called BAMMC, which is Bachelors of Arts in Multimedia and Mass Communication. North Indian colleges mein it is also called as BAJMC. Duration of the course is 3 years with 6 semesters. And in the 3rd year, students get to choose between a specialization between journalism and advertising. And as you can see, the subjects that are being covered in this course, you are learning everything that you are essentially heard of today is something that you're learning in BMM as a course, in BAMMC as a course. There is tech, there is, of course, media, there is media laws, there is finance, there is accounting. There is, so essentially a media person is going to be jack of all trades and master of media, right? So those are the subjects that will be covered in a 6-year tenure for you guys. Top colleges in Mumbai would be St. Xavier's, KC College, Jai Hind College. Yes, and then there are other colleges outside Mumbai. However, important point is that Mumbai is a primary hub for media courses because Mumbai is the house of media since Bollywood emerged in Mumbai. Media is a primary, is primarily located in Mumbai. Hence, the education is also primarily densed in Mumbai. When I teach in my college, 60 to 70% of the students who are in my class are all outstation students. They've come from all across India and certain Arabic nations also to come to Mumbai to study this course. And you can take up this course with your 10+2 from any stream, science, commerce, arts, does not matter. Arts students get a certain edge, but commerce, science students can also take up BA MMC as a course. Entrance exams are not there usually, except St. Xavier's College, which has an entrance exam. Other colleges are purely based on your 12th standard merit scores. Average fees is between 40 to 60,000. So in a period of 3 years, you will be spending some 2 lakh rupees for this course. And within your first year of working out after your college, you will earn that money back with your salary. So it's a very low investment, high returns course. Skills needed, creative mindset, of course. You need to have very strong communication skills. You need to be able to come up on the stage, take the mic and talk about any topic. That's the level of communication skills you need. You need to consume media very heavily, because if you are not consuming content, you cannot create content. Right? So you need to consume media, you need to consume content, be up to date with trends and technology, have analytical skills, problem solving skills, language skills. There are endless skills required. Like I said, a media professional is a jack of all trade and then the master of media. Right? That's more or less about it. Any more questions I'm happy to address at Meet the Professionals after lunch. Thank you so much.
Yes. Any questions regarding media and mass communication? Yeah.
No. If we drop maths and we take this, is it allowed?
Okay, there is a question. If they drop math, and is it allowed for the mass media? If they drop math subject, is it allowed? No problem. Yes. Okay, no problem. So he's very happy. Any other questions? Okay, thank you.